Hello guys, welcome to my new tutorials. In this tutorial you will learn how to make these types of liquid text effect in After Effects. Without further ado, let's get started. First create a new composition here. This will be my settings, okay? Okay, now create a new solid layer. Here change the color, you can take any of it, but I will take like a deep blue color. Okay, now create a text here. I will write like Copa America 2021. Okay, now just like align it. Okay, wait. Now create a new solid layer. Here change the color. I will take a little bit light color here. You can take any of it, okay, no problem. Now we have to create a mask for the text layer, so we create like select this square shape and cover the text. Okay, now position it. Yeah, and like now press Ctrl and click double to the anchor point so that anchor point come into the middle. Okay, now go to the effect and preset panels and search like turbulence displace. Okay, turbulence displace here. Okay, now it is totally your choice how much amount, how much displace you want. Okay, and the size of your displace, totally your. Okay, now press Alt and click this evaluation keyframe. Okay, here like the space, type time into 400 and click anywhere. Okay, now let's see the preview. Yeah, it's totally okay for me. Now go to the 2 second and click the solid layer, press P for the position and make a keyframe here. Now let's go to the 0 second and take down it to the below. Okay, now this will come to here. Okay, and now click this last keyframe and press F9 to the easiest. Now then click these two keyframe here and go to the motion graph, select this handle and make a little bit motion here. Okay, it's totally fine. Now press Ctrl D to duplicate and again Ctrl D to duplicate, and then go to the second solid layer. Here layer settings and change the color. I will take light blue here. Okay, and go to the last one and layer solid settings. Here I will take a little bit light green. Okay, now if you see that there is only one color, is because all the setting is same totally. Yeah, okay, now if you change this offset path here, now you can see the green layer. Okay, if you go to the blue layer also, change the offset path. Okay, now you can see the blue layer. Okay, now let's see the preview. Okay, here it's okay. Now click these three solid layer and make a pre-composition. Okay, make it into the below. Here go to the track matte here and none to alpha matte. Okay, now let's see the preview. Okay, here you can see all the things perfect here totally, but if you want like more blue or more green here, so you can also do it. Then go to pre-composition here. Okay, click the green solid layer here, and then increase this side and this side also. Okay, this side also and this side also. If you want like orange layer a little bit, then you can decrease their portion here also. You can customize it in your own way, so it's totally easy. Okay, now let's go to the composition one. Now see. Okay, yeah. I guess I can decrease it here and a little bit here also, like this, and blue also a little bit. Okay, yeah, it's totally okay. So you can do it like this. You can also rotate, press R to rotate this total thing. Okay, now let's see. Here you can see the full letter is not here. So here the same way you can increase this layer side here, blue side also increase a little bit blue here also, green a little bit here also. So you have to like check it how much you need. I think green is also needed here a little bit more. Okay, I guess very fine now. Okay, here you can see only two colors here. To get more color like this, so you can decrease a little bit blue or decrease a little bit also here. You can see here. So it's very easy. Okay, now like if we want to enter a cup here. Okay, the cup is here. Okay, first take it to the below and make this two layer a new pre-composition. Okay, now make a position and try to make a below of it. I think it's okay. And go to there and make a position. Okay, I think it's totally perfect for me here. Now let's make a not here. Okay, just here. Make a keyframe here and a little bit size. If you increase the scale a little bit, or like okay, this is okay. Yeah, I can also make a keyframe here. If you go to the position again, I have to change this position also. Okay, let's like it there. Yeah, now if we go to like this position, go to the scale and make it 0. Okay, good. Here you can see then this here it will like blow up here, but we don't need to blow up here. So go to the position and like take it from the M. Now let's see the preview. Yeah, you can see how smoothly it works. So then click the pick and press U to get all the keyframe here. Select all the keyframe and press F9 to ease. Now let's see. Okay, so in this way you can easily make it. If you want to click all this keyframe and go to the motion speed here, like little bit increase here and little bit also increase here. So okay, just stop this one. Yeah, it's totally nice. You can customize it in your own way. So that's it. Okay, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get these types of latest After Effects or other types of motion graphics tutorials. See you in my next tutorial. Till then, goodbye.